After a sharp rebound in late April, Tesla's stock price continues to be held down under 200. The upswing from those two gaps can be the basis for a Fibonacci time zone, followed by a Fibonacci fan here. While the overall decline this year can largely be captured by this shallow fib channel, then this fib spiral can be useful after sharp selling yesterday, which once again puts doubt into a quick advance back into the 200s. Even with selling at average volume, it wouldn't be too unrealistic to have a drop back towards the mid to low 160s, where there is still moderate support potential for the remainder of the month, whereas a straight drop down to the 140s like this would be less likely without at least 1 or 2 days of daily selling volume, closer to 100 million. Now, on to NVIDIA stock, where we can use the combination of a Fibonacci extension, time zone, and fan. To show even a minor retracement like this would need daily selling volume to get to at least around 500 million. So, without any major changes, even regular to below average bullish volume can see price continue to drift up in this second steepest portion of the fan. Now, I kindly ask you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Then, while you wait for the next upload coming tomorrow, have a look at the hundreds of technical analysis tutorials already on the channel, including ones on how to use each Fibonacci method shown today.